Lydia, how are you?
Fine.
Where are you going?
I'm always out playing football.
Come here. Come and sit down. Daddy. Bring the alphabet.
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Alphabet letter.
Alphabet letter.
Alphabet letter. Figure A.
You know the guy is letter A.
Will you keep quiet? I pass them go that. What? Can I teach you this one? This is a goat.
The what?
This is a cat.
How come we hear this?
What do you know? Like, what do you want? What do you know? Be careful. I don't have time. I'll listen. Okay. This is a lion.
It's a lion. It's not a lion. It's a goat. This is a lion.
Come on, Daniel.
Bọ̀dá ìjọ ẹ̀yà lọ́tọ́. Ẹ má jọ fẹ́ bí wọ́n rí ìjùkú.